fed up residents meeting about loud airplane noises over their homes. They say it's gotten worse. 10 News reporter Jessica Chen is joining us now. And Jessica, residents say this is causing them to lose sleep.
That's right. Some residents told me they've put up double-paned windows, but the noise is still really loud. Right now the meeting is happening behind those closed doors, and the room is filled with frustrated residents. Leila Schmidt says she's lived in Point Loma for more than 25 years, and the noise at her home has gotten so bad she wakes up several times a night. During the meeting tonight, she expressed concern about the flight paths that have changed, causing the noise to get worse. The group is made up of local residents from the Point Loma, La Jolla, and Ocean Beach area. The FAA started changing their flight path last year, saying it'll improve airspace efficiency. Schmidt says as a physician, she says her lack of sleep can affect patient care.
You're wakened in the morning at 6:30 with planes going off at 6:30, 6:31, 6:32, 6:33, and oftentimes there's one in the middle of the night that'll either take off or land.
Now, I reached out to the airport authority and they told me they work with the FAA to try to minimize the noise impact. At Liberty Station, Jessica Chen, 10 News.